Are you facing the problem where your left AirPod is not working? Don't worry, there are some effective solutions for this. This issue comes up due to connectivity issues, sound settings, or charging problems in your AirPods charging ports. To fix this, you can try out these troubleshooting steps. Solution 1. Factory reset your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods are the first and most surefire way to solve issues like this. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On older AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After the time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red and then white. That means reset is complete. For the newer AirPod model I'm holding, it has a touch response, so if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, and then 2 more times, and then 2 more times, and then, at last, 2 more times. Now it will blink in red a few times, and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Another main reason why your left AirPod is not working is probably because it's not getting any charge. So open the lid of your AirPods and bring out your left AirPod. Now first, just blow into the charging hole in the AirPod to bring out the pent-up dust. If that doesn't work, get a cotton bud or something similar to clean the charging area of your left AirPod. After that, put both of the AirPods in the case and charge your AirPods with a charger. After charging it, connect it with your AirPods with your iPhone and check your issue. Solution 3. Change audio balance. Now, there are some specific settings on your iPhone that can cause such issues. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down a bit and tap accessibility. Now scroll down again and tap audio and visual. In here, toggle off mono audio. After that, scroll down a bit and go to the balance section. Make sure the balance slider is set in the middle. If it's set to the left side or the right side, it can cause issues like this. So do this and get out from your settings. Now try to play some music or a video. Hopefully this time, your problem should be fixed. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you fix the problem. If it did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. And you can also subscribe to this channel for more solutions just like this. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.